So, you're a loan officer looking to improve your online presence. leadPops just found a way to revolutionize the way that your clients find you online. And the best part is, nobody has heard of it. It's a little known website called Google. Okay, if you haven't heard of Google, we have bigger problems here. Considering that you and all your competition know what Google is, it may seem daunting to make sure you're at the top of the results page. If you wanted to appear nationally for some really popular keywords, you'd probably need millions of dollars and years of experience. But you don't have to appear nationally. If you want your local clients to find you online so you can close more loans and bring your business to the next level, all you need is the local pack. Did you know almost half of Google searches are for local resources? That's why your local market is so important for generating new business. 93% of the time, businesses listed in the local pack appear at the top of a search result page. If you're at the top of the local pack, you don't have to appear nationally. You're going to be right in front of your local market. Okay, so now you understand how important the local pack is to generating you more business. So, how do we get there? There are 3 main factors in order to get you to the top of your local pack. Your Google My Business page, your Google reviews, and citations. If you're like most people, you have no idea where to start off with any of this. That's where leadPops comes in. Check out this article to find out more about your local pack.